Hi, good morning. My name is Munish Grover, and I am heading the DACH region for the plant engineering for L&T Technology Services. L&T Technology is a pure play engineering consulting firm. We do projects from concept to commissioning, starting from your feed to detailed design and construction management. We are not an EPC company, like we don't take projects on an LSTK basis, but we do the complete sound engineering for your projects across globe. So we are working heavily in Europe. We have a large presence in US. We're an Indian global company, a large base in India with 7-8 offices, but a global setup across the globe.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So what are you doing at this event these days?
So, as you say, we are the sponsors for this event, one of the sponsors for this event, and so we are here as an EPCM service providers. Like there are different peers in the market who provide services like EPC and EPCM. So we are playing as a role of EPCM partner for global projects for our customers. And my agenda for the meeting was to meet a lot of customers who are developing new facilities and also see the difference how EPCM versus EPCM plays happening in the market. So that was the agenda for this meet, and to meet new customers. Our peers in the market.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Nice. And how did you experience the event so far?
It was a good experience. I think a lot to learn from our peers and the customers and on the new developments happening across the industry. And I think good amount of presentations presented by our peers or different companies on different topics. It was a nice experience.
Yes. And what do you think of the venue?
It's a good venue. There are some plus and minus.
Yes.
Always, it happens at every event. But honestly, for the sponsors for to present our company, I think this is a small space. Probably this has been shifted to area where the drinks are served. But or maybe inside the hall on the sides. So, and there should also be a time given, dedicated time frame given for audience to come and see what we are presenting as a company.
Yes.
So I think that slot was missing in the complete event.
Yes.
I'm not able to see on the card.
Yeah.
But apart from that, it's a good event.
Okay. Do you have more recommendations? So part of these?
No, I think even if it was in a closed room, probably a direction should have been given to people who are attending this event, so that they can go and see which all companies are the partners or the sponsors for this event.
Yes.
That's it. I
And
think.
the people you met here were interesting?
Yeah, very interesting. Yes, I hope to. I look forward to meet more people in next 2 days. Today, I think a lot of crowd is started coming.
Yes.
Yesterday was very low, but I think today we are seeing a crowd coming to this room as well after hearing our presentation yesterday.
Great.
So that was interesting, but. I look forward to have a pleasant meeting with customers today and tomorrow.
Yes. Okay, great. I think that's it for now.
Thank you very much.